Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader at 6:56 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tuesday, September 28th, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational only. Click the subscribe and bell to be updated and the thumbs up and share this video. We're talking about Quant Networks, clearly a leader in corporate development of blockchain interoperability across multiple platforms, multiple blockchains, interconnecting multiple companies together. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below the video if you want to hear my tweets in the middle of the day. Let's move forward to Quant US dollar, Tether, Quant US dollar, similar. We're still over this support line. We have not broken through it. We bounced right off it squarely as we expected it to. So we're going to continue to watch this, monitor it for the next few days. As I've been mentioning over the last several videos, sideways action is kind of where we're at right now. It stinks, it's boring, but we will resolve. And we're going to go into around where that will happen in a minute. Let's go straight into Quant Bitcoin. We have broken this line of support. Not a fan of what's happening here, but ultimately, as long as we stay over this line, which is actually slightly a little higher than that, I think we have another line of support around 648. It's almost 5% down from where we're at. I'm not overly worried about it. I think we'll be fine in terms of the Quant US dollar pair here. So strong line of support around 275, 276. We're at 284 right now. Again, this is something to monitor tightly, but at the same time, there's no cause for panic here. Bitcoin US dollar is also doing exactly what we expected. What I did here was I put two blocks, a red block and a green block. This one that's bigger, the red block, not this one, but the one on the left, this rectangle was the one that we always compare the current pattern to. The current pattern for Bitcoin is over here on the right, where we have more recent actions, starting in the early part of September to now. And it's exactly following the same bigger pattern that happened between May all the way up to late July, early August. So it is a very similar pattern where, the first half of the period of time, we were primarily on the upper half of that rectangle. At the second period of time on the right, we were actually below we were on the lower half of that rectangle. So we're following exactly what we've seen before. This to me is a no-brainer. Now let's go over to Bitcoin. Now I think we're going to wind up at some point, once we pass this line of resistance, this gray line here, very similar to how we passed it over here. I think we start our move back up. And hopefully we get aggressive, very similar to what's happened here. We made a little pullback and then we kept going. I think we're going to do the same. We're going to go up. We're going to hit there, a little pullback, and then forward going, upward and onward. So Bitcoin dominance pair, again, we're still in the fear factor. We're literally in this channel over the past week. And, this was a reversal in the sense that we have more fear in the crypto market right now. So as the Bitcoin dominance goes up, more fear comes in. Clearly Bitcoin getting hit a little bit, as well as the altcoin market. Anyway, that's all I've got. But right now, Bitcoin US dollar, to me, looking like a pretty solid line of support around the 273, 274 range. And we'll keep a tight eye on that. Take it easy.